Guys, welcome back to another food review. Today I'm in my hometown, Stevenage, outside Subway, here to check out what vegan options they've got. So let's go inside and see what's going on. I'm here to check out what vegan options you have.
Well, we've got two main options.
Yeah.
So one of them is the vegan meatballs.
Meatballs, okay.
Meatless
Oh yeah,
meatballs.
meatless meatballs.
And
I've seen
then
that.
this vegan patty over here. which is ready
Yeah.
as well.
Can I get one of each? Like a 6 inch?
Do you have any preference on drink?
I'll let you choose. But I think it's gonna be good. I want to taste both, so let's go for it. Two vegan options at Subway. Warmed up the onions and peppers.
Where are we at now?
Stevenage, Subway. Well, it's like a garage with Subway, Greggs, towards the A1. Exit the A1. Not sure what junction, but towards the A1. This is the spicy one, right? So I've got one spicy one, one normal one, two different sauces, two completely different textures, flavors.
What sauce did you combine it with?
Sweet chili sticky sauce in the vegan patty, and I didn't put no sauce in the meatball one because I gathered it's got a sauce with it. Don't want to make it too wet, too moist. No one likes nothing moist. You get me? I've got the goods. Let's give it the taste test. Let's go. Man is hungry. Sweet chili sauce, veggie patty. And over here we got the meatless marinara. Even when I did eat meat, I never tried meatballs in Subway. Which one should I taste first? The veggie patty. I can't believe she even warmed up the peppers and the onions, right? It's a little hot. Straight away, getting a kick from the patty, or maybe the bread. She said the bread's spicy. Definitely a little kick of spice in there. Getting a crunch from the onions. The nice texture of the patty is very soft. And see, in the patty, there's sweet corns in there. The nice smoky taste from the cheese really brings this together, and it's like a paprika punch I'm getting as well. Seasonings are great in this, man. It's more spicy than I thought it'd be. Lovely punch, but the texture is so good. Oh, and the crunch from the crispy onions. Beautiful. Now let's go over to the meatless marinara. Straight away, you get a big kick of the tomato sauce. Lovely, like traditional Italian flavour. You get a crunch from the seeds on the top. You get a nice burst and juice from the onions and the fresh cucumber. That vegan cheese is lovely. Sometimes vegan cheese can be very overpowering and almost too cheesy. This one's perfect. So I'm gonna finish this up. This one's so good. I'm gonna finish both these up, come back to give you my review on Subway's vegan options. See you guys in a sec. finished up. The lady there behind the till, the combinations she put together were amazing. The food and the breads and the cheese and everything else, 10 out of 10. But I'm gonna give the actual sandwiches themselves, the fact they've got 2 vegan options is better than most places. I appreciate you, Subway, so I am gonna give you 5 fist bumps out of 5. See you again soon, guys. Peace.